to my cooking show. Get your cooking hats and aprons on. Okay guys, so today we will be making Milanesa steak sandwiches. Really fast, it's really easy, it's really good. And it's super simple. It's like 4 ingredients maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And the mayonnaise, 6 ingredients. Who would have thunk? All we're gonna need, guys, is Milanesa, thin sliced. Bread, a loaf of bread, French bread or Italian. I got French because sometimes Italian is like way wider, so the bites are like really huge, and sometimes you just want to portion it more. I suggest buying 2 loaves of bread. I totally forgot because I was in a rush. A bottle of this Ken Steakhouse Northern Italian with basil and Romano. Don't get the light one, just get the original. I couldn't find the original. And if you can find the one that says 3 cheese, even better. I feel like I'm screaming. Yeah, calm down. Okay, and then an onion and some white sliced mushrooms and mayonnaise. That's all you're gonna need. I don't got time for this. Oh crap, my mom was showering. You can't see her anyways if she walks out. Oh, you're also gonna need garlic and salt. This is so annoying. I mean, just garlic, not salt. Sorry guys, I know I'm always like all over the place. I'm always forgetting everything. My brain is sporadic. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice the Milanesa. Oh, and get out a bowl so you can put it in, so you can like marinate the dressing with the meat. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how you cut the steak. You're just gonna do it like thin strips. You could put, see, I put 2 on top of each other so I could just cut it, put it in the bowl, and then I'll be marinating it when I'm done. So yeah, I'm just gonna slice that up. I like to cut the fat out. Maybe it is better if you buy it at Walmart, because I always buy it at H-E-B. It's cheaper, but there's way more fat, and then I take longer cutting all the fat out. So actually, I think I made a good mistake. Well, it wasn't a mistake because I purposely went to Walmart. Whatever. All right, so a little trick if you guys are making videos and you don't have a camera, because I'm making mine with the phone. Put your phone on airplane mode, because then people are gonna call you and it's gonna interrupt your show. Just kidding, it was my dad. He's allowed to interrupt. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't have anything interesting to say. Nothing fun to talk about. Probably just gonna edit out all of this because I'm so boring. I think I'm getting sick because my throat, my voice, my throat is getting scratchy. Maybe it's all the coffee I drink. Nah, it's not the coffee. So these roses are for my mom's birthday. But like, I'm thinking if I should wear one in my hair while I'm cooking. I don't want to break off the whole stem though. I want to see if you could see it. If you could see the back part. Oh no, heck no. The struggles of having this hair. People always say, oh my gosh, your hair's so awesome. If I had it, I would do a million things with it. Girl, you can't do nothing with this hair. I try to put it up, I look like a boy. I try to put it to the side, I look like a little girl. It's just weird. It's just weird. It just doesn't work at all. And I think I have hair in my mouth as we speak. So yeah, but also I've learned to appreciate things that I have, that God has given me, because I don't know, why be upset about something if you have it? Some people don't even have hair. Some people don't have arms. Some people don't have fingers. Some people don't have legs. We're over here complaining that our legs don't look pretty enough. Our arms are too big. Our face is too chubby. Whatever it could be. Our butts are too flat. But yet we have it, and we should be grateful for them. Why am I even talking about this on a cooking show? Shake up the dressing. Okay, this is hard to do with one hand. I need my camera guy. So you just squeeze it all in. I would say like half of the bottle. We'll see right now. And then sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. Is this brand new? Wow. Wow. This is brand new, guys, so I gotta open it. Sorry. Okay. So we're just gonna sprinkle some garlic powder. Mix it up. Okay. So yeah, I would say you're gonna do about a tablespoon of garlic powder mixed in here. And you don't want the meat to feel dry. And I used half of the bottle, so I would say like, no, yeah, I used half of the bottle, right? Would you say that's half? Yeah. So yeah, you're gonna do that and then put it in the fridge, let it marinate for 30 minutes. I don't have time to do that right now, so I'm not gonna do that part. But that's what you're supposed to do because it marinates and it tastes really good. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm sauteing the onions, and then I need to saute the mushrooms. But I'm gonna cook these a little bit. Oh. And then of course I need to have this on this stove, which is where I'm gonna cook the meat. And what I do is I add a little bit of olive oil to it. And then you only have to do that once because the meat's gonna be making its own juices when it cooks. So yeah, I think I put too much olive oil. I would say like a tablespoon of olive oil. This is the problem. What is it called? Not perks, the anti-perks of not having a camera person. My hair's gonna get in the food. Maybe if I shrink. Hey guys. Watch it burn and pop in my eye. I'm gonna try to make it higher. BRB. This thing is for tortillas, but I'm gonna use it for the meat. So what I do is I cook the meat. It cooks really quick, then I just put it in here and I go. And I'm gonna put the mushrooms in there. Oh, I forgot. I add a little bit of butter to the mushrooms and onions to give it like a little flavor. So yeah. Mom, will you help me? Look what I'm doing to record myself. What? Look what I'm doing to record myself through the meat. Oh, good. Turn the light on. I said, you help me. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, the light goes on here? Yeah. I thought it was out. Okay, so I put like probably this much amount of butter in the mushrooms and the onions. This is getting real hot. Okay, you don't want this to get too hot, guys, because then your meat will overcook. So basically, what do you mean hot? You just try to separate it. You can cook a lot at a time. Oh, you're going to be cooking on medium heat. Do not cook on high, and don't cook too low. Dessert. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the bread open while I'm waiting. I'm gonna cut this open and put the mayonnaise so I can get it ready. I opened it wrong.
I'm the lucky one, yeah!
Okay, so I like to cut the bread.
What are you guys eating?
Broccoli, rice, and chicken.
No, but this is mine. What are you guys eating?
Oh, I know, I forgot to get another loaf. I was in a hurry.
So yeah, you put the mayonnaise, just get it ready to go. Don't do too. It does not taste good if you do it dry, like a little thin layer of mayonnaise.
Or a thick layer of mayonnaise.
Yeah, not too thick.
Yeah, a lot. That.
But yeah. But yeah, you want it to have some mayonnaise in there. Hey, maybe I could do a cooking show on how we make our sandwiches with this bread.
Oh yeah, nombre, chala, nombre.
Oh, and by the way, let's check the meat. Oh my goodness. So, okay, well, some of it's still pink. It could be a little bit pink. I mean, it's steak, so if you like it medium rare. But I'm going to cook it a little bit more than that. Because my dad does not like it medium rare. He's not a scavenger like his daughter. Okay guys, so can you see how it's like very little pink, like not very much at all? I need to stop saying like in my videos. I noticed I was saying, I never used to say that. You know who I've been hanging out with too much? Guess.
Madison.
Yep. And you see what I mean about it making the juice? So you don't even need to add more oil. So just do the same thing. Add it up.
Show them. Show what they're doing. Come over here. Subway. Subway when she's making Milanesa sandwiches. Wow. What are you doing? We recorded in the Obama house. You hear all the cheese there. Oops. That space. Record his face, how it looks when we talk about it. We don't even talk about cheese, man. We talk about our own problems.
Okay, good. Finish. The problem I have now is I gotta go to work. Put that sandwich together.
Because I give facts. I give truth. About yourself, though. We don't talk about other people. I talk about what people do to me.
Okay, so this is what you guys fill the whole thing, but since my dad is really hungry, I'm just doing his piece right now. But yeah, make sure you put plenty of meat in there. Plenty. And then you put the onions on top. This sandwich is super messy. Can you record me cutting it?
I am.
Cutting it. Oh my gosh, Mom, over here so you can see all the meat. Record. Check that out. How was it?
I'm in heaven, and I have mayonnaise on my mustache, and I don't care.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to end the video here. I hope you can't hear like the AC blowing. Oh yeah, I just wanted to end the video here and thank you guys for watching my video, another one. Thanks. Oh. Whoa. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. My friend Mariela right now just told me that she loves when she loves watching my videos when I'm just sitting in the car talking. So that made my heart melt. It made me feel so special. And she said she gets chips and a drink and stuff and snacks and eats when she watches my videos. So that made me really happy because I really like watching these YouTubers, and that's my favorite part where I'm like, yes, I'm gonna go get a snack, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna eat it and watch it. And I laugh with them, and I love that. I think it's so cool because it makes me feel like I'm hanging out with them in a way. So that kind of made me feel like encouraged to post things, even if people are like, your videos are too long, they're so pointless, why are you even talking about that? It doesn't even have to do with the video. Like, too bad. I'm just gonna do me, and if you want to see it, cool. If you don't, it's okay. Nobody has the same taste. I won't get offended or hurt or whatever. You do you, boo. But for those of you who do watch it, thanks. And why do I say it like that? Thanks. But yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me. I know this video is one that you guys always request, like cooking videos, so thanks guys who messaged me after my other video and were giving me suggestions on other videos. I don't know if I'll do all those suggestions, but I'll definitely do more cooking ones. That's what you guys seem to want the most. So yeah, just let me know and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. This could be my intro. Look, this is gonna be the basil on the side that people decorate their plates with. Hi guys, welcome to Get Lit with Wit, another episode coming to you live from a house in the world, on a map, in a street, on the road, below the sky. Let me do this again. No, I'm not gonna do this again. That's true. Oh.